sing I Dig Monster Fun Feels Cool Reveals. And there's not just the little monster, there's a big plushie inside named Treats. Okay, let's get opening. That's the one. Let's see. This is where it is. And this is our cutie. And inside its mouth, there's a teeny tiny monster, which is inside this. And okay, I'm gonna open this plastic now. And this is it. And here are the different Monjis you can get. There's this side and this side. And I am going to open this. Okay, I'm going to tear this open. There we go. And this is the little thing that we're going to get out. Now this looks a little bit gooey and very cool. Take that out. And here is the little bag that comes.
What is all that goo for?
It's for unwrapping. This is supposed to be a little popsicle. A gooey popsicle. And there's some tape here. And get that there. Use some scissors to get that off. There we go. I'm gonna get that open. And this is our Monji.
That's the Monji?
Yeah. And when we dip it under cold water, it will change colors. Okay, let's dip our Monji into the ice cold water. Ooh, he or she turned blue. And now it's drying off. Let's put some towel. Let's dry it off a little bit with a towel. And the monstery feet. I think Monji really likes the freezing cold water. And we can check out the little thingies that make shapes in this popsicle. So there's an ice cream. And here's the ice cream. And
Can you eat that?
no. But it's a little popsicle for someone else. And here is the little Monji eating the ice cream. Okay, I think that's it for today. So subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and ring that bell. Bye.